Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Thailand haul video. So I'll be showing you what all I got from Thailand, all the shopping that I did and how much I got it all for, so that if you ever go there you have some idea about the range and the prices and what all you can get over there. I would say that this was a highly requested video, but I'm not going to do that because it wasn't highly requested. No one requested it actually, and I just saw a lot of other YouTubers doing this and I was really tempted to try this out. So yes, I really hope that this is informative for you in some way, and it helps you if you ever go to Thailand and if you want to shop. One thing to remember, Thailand is shopaholics heaven. You will get everything over there and you can get your hands on the best clothes shopping, clothes, accessories, bags, whatever you want. You can lay your hands on them at the best prices. They are not very expensive. If you go to malls it's very expensive, but if you go to like the places that I went to, it was kind of like, kind of street markets and stuff. You can get really good stuff and also for really good prices. So yes, let's get started. We mainly went to this place in Bangkok called Indra Square. So it is a big building, okay? It's a building and it's full of shopping, and you can get everything that you want over there. You get clothes, you get shoes, you get bags, you get soaps, you get fridge magnets, accessories, everything, basically everything. And stationery, yes, stationery, you get everything over there and the prices are pretty decent. So that's where we did all of our shopping. We actually went there on all the 3 days that we were in Bangkok. So we were there for 3 days and we actually ended up going there on all the 3 days and we ended up shopping on all the 3 days. So actually a lot of stuff we've already given away and we got it for our relatives and stuff, so I won't be able to show you those, but I will show you the ones that I have remaining. That is the ones that I got for myself and that my mom got for herself. So the first thing that I got is this top. I hope you can see it. It's really beautiful. I love the colors. This was available in many other colors, so I chose this one and I got this for 170 or 150 baht. So in Thailand the currency is baht. It's a Thai baht, and it's double the Indian rupee value. So 1 rupee, one Thai baht is approximately 2.3 Indian rupee. It keeps changing, but it's a little more than double. The next thing I got is these pair of skirts, I believe that's what they're called. So it's shorts plus skirt, so it's a combination of the two. So it looks like a skirt but it's actually a pair of shorts. So I got this for 100 baht. So I got this on one of the street markets, not in Indra Square. This was on one of the street markets. I'm really happy with this buy. I've always wanted a pair of skirts. I've seen so many people wear them and I've always wanted these, and I finally found them over there, so I'm happy with this. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I really love this. So it is this pair of palazzo pants. This is kind of like a mixture of those palazzos and those kurti pants. So I love the color of this. Purple is my favorite color, and obviously I would have bought this because it's purple. And yes, I love it and it fits really well and very comfortable as well. And I got this for 100 baht. My mom also got a similar pair of palazzo pants from the same shop, and we got a lot of these pants for my masi and my cousin. So yes, again, this is what my mom got for herself. This color is also very beautiful. So since it's available only in one size, it's an elastic, which is good. And yeah, I also love this color, but these are my mom's. The next thing that I got, which I'm really happy with, and this is my favorite item from the whole haul. So it is this dress. So it's a really summery kind of flowy dress, very comfortable, and just look at it. It's so pretty. It is so pretty, and I just love the bright colors. So the colors are what make it so summery, and I don't even think that you need any accessories with this. The dress speaks for itself, and it has straps, which is nice for the summer. And yes, also there's this thing where you can tie it up, So yes, it is really pretty, and I tried it on and it fits perfectly, and I love it. I love it. This is definitely my favorite item, and I got this dress for 200 baht. I think it's totally worth the price. I also got a similar dress for my cousin, and she loves it too, but that is in pink, and this is red and it is blue, and yes, it is very pretty, and I'm totally obsessed with it. The next thing that I got is this headband. It is really pretty. I love the color green, and there were again many colors to choose from, so I chose this one, and I got this for 50 baht, which is a little more than 100 rupees, so not bad. Now I'm going to show you what my mom got. I'm not done with what I got, but it's still clothes, so I'm going to get done with the clothes first. So my mom got this top, really cute with these owls, and the colors are really bright and really attractive. The colors are really nice, and my mom got this for 100 baht. Again, she got this from one of the street markets. It's not from Indra Square. And my mom also got these leggings. So my mom goes for aerobics and she needs leggings, so like stretchy pants which you can wear while exercising. So she got these leggings, and she got a similar pair of leggings again for 100 baht. Then my mom also got this top. So this she got for 70 baht from Indra Square. Those are all the clothes that we got. Next I'm going to move on to the accessories. So my mom got this neck piece. So she likes wearing such different kind of jewelry, and she got this for 100 baht. She got this. So this neck piece, which is really pretty, and she got this again for 100 baht. Now I'm going to show you my accessories. So I basically just got earrings. I didn't get neck pieces or anything. So all my accessories that I got are earrings. So okay, the first thing is this. Look at how pretty and how cute these are. Candy pop earrings, candy lollipop earrings, I don't know, but they're so cute, and I haven't seen anything of this sort in India, and they're purple, so I bought them. I have this obsession with purple. I buy everything that's purple. I see something and I search for it in purple, I get it. I can't help it. I also got another really good deal, which is 5 pairs of earrings for just 100 baht. So that is 20 baht per pair, which is a really good deal. So I'm going to show you those 5 pairs now. So this is the first pair. Really pretty. Again, silver colored and triangles, and really nice. I really like these. These are really different as well, the pattern and everything. The second pair is these purple ones. Again, purple. I'm sorry for way too much purple. Again, purple ones. Really pretty. I also got a similar pair, just like these purple ones. I got them in white, so that I can wear them with the other outfits as well. So yes, this is the third pair, and the fourth pair is these. Again, these are so pretty, and they have like checkers on them, and yeah, I really like these. This is the fourth pair, and finally, one of the cutest is these watermelon popsicle earrings, you guys. I haven't seen these in India, so I had to buy them. I actually got them from my sister, but she's not here. So until she comes back, I'll be using them. So if you're watching this video, Shweta, I'm sorry. Yeah, I love these. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is the bags that we got. So I got this small backpack, and the color is really nice. It's like pink peach color, and yeah, I got this for 200 baht. Okay, so the next bag that I'm going to show you is my favorite bag that I've owned so far. It's so cute. Look at this, you guys. So cute. It has these owls on them and these dangling things. I don't know what they're called. And yeah, it's so cute. And I saw this, and I really liked it. And I got this for around 130 baht. Then I got these bags for my friends. So one is blue with elephants on them, and this is brown with elephants on them. So really pretty, and I got these for my friends. I got these for 50 baht each, I think. And the next thing that I got, it's actually these three. So set of three for 100 baht. Again, I got these for my friends. So these are like pouches where you can keep your phone and money. You can carry it with you. Really pretty, and it has the silver detailing again with elephants. Then I got these. I got fridge magnets. So it was actually again 3 for 100. I already gave one away, so I have 2 left. We got this, so we kept these for we kept this one for ourselves. It has Thailand written on it and the temples and stuff. So really pretty again. And I got this elephant fridge magnet for my friend who loves elephants, so I got this. So Thailand has these really pretty soaps which are shaped like fruits or flowers, and yeah, so I got this again for a friend. She asked for it specially. I got this for 70 baht. So it's a flower shaped soap, and it smells really good. Okay, so that is it for this haul video. I hope it was informative and it helps you in some way if you ever go there, so you know what to expect now. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to leave a like down there, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs that I put up. Yeah, it was an amazing trip and I really enjoyed it. Thailand is a beautiful place, especially the temples. Oh my god, the architecture is stunning. It is absolutely stunning, and especially the Wat Pho temple. Yeah, you probably watched it in the vlog. If you haven't watched my Thailand vlogs, I will leave the link for those vlogs down in the description box below, so please do go and check it out. Again, like I said, if you liked my video, do not forget to leave a like down there, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you then. Bye.